dark in the Oxbow rib cage, but in a lockdown it just lock. But as you can see, the sign is still there and the restaurant open. We're gonna try chill pop. Chill pop. We're gonna try to see what it's like. Babe does not want chill pop. Well, I'm not feeling it right now, so we're gonna go to Devon House because that was the initial plan. Hopefully it is still open. Yeah. Hopefully it's open. Hopefully it's not closed. Online say 9 o'clock, but you can't trust nothing what online say. Online is not, it's not closed yet. We made it inside to Devon House ice cream. We're actually gonna get Devon House instead of the chocolate. Okay? But the door have our as it's dark, I'm sorry I left the light in the car. It's really hard to walk with the light sometimes. Make sure I'm going here. Anyways, we're taking on a long journey. We're gonna take Mary and night here. And come back. But long journey. Ice cream nice though. But what sounds like my belly feel bubbly. The color purple is out. Yeah? What? The color purple is out. I think I want to watch this with Fantasia, Taraji. I don't remember who is this lady. Is it Danielle Brooks? Yeah. Me said it's nice, you know. The cartoon now. Guys, it's a new vlog. My hair is a bit puffy. But what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I kind of like the puffy vibe. It's so cute. So nice. What am I doing? Alright, so today is Wednesday, January the 3rd. And I'm in Montego Bay. I'm actually at the airport. So yesterday you guys saw when I was at the other airport. Today I'm at the other airport. So yeah, that's what's up. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do leave a comment down in the comment section so we can chat. Oh god, this ear is so pretty. You know, I did a review on the wig, and I never upload the review because I thought that then the wig was like too thin. But this wig, I am so in love with it. So in love with it. It's a 22-inch hair. I'm going to upload the review and then I'm going to leave the link down in the description box. So pretty. It's 22 inches. Really kind of wet over here, some more than wet over here. So this morning, but so nice. So nice. So yeah, today I wore a long sleeve because it was a bit cold this morning. So I went for the long sleeve type of vibe. So yeah, so they're doing a lot of changes. You can see they're doing a lot of but you can't see. But if you're used to the airport, we normally come in from down that side, come around. We're actually we entered from the other direction. So normally when you come that way and you come around to go down to departure, which would be coming from that side. But because of they're doing a lot of construction, we came in from, they do like this new route thing, come around and all of that. So yeah, but they're doing a lot of work on this airport, a lot of upgrade. I mean, from the last time I traveled, did I said something? I don't even remember. But they're doing a lot of work down here in Montego Bay on the Sangsters International Airport. So yeah, so that's what's up. So that's another fly out for the new year. And why am I not in the batch there? I need to take an early flight this year. I need to take an early flight. I need to take like an early flight, a midway flight, a summer flight, and an end of year flight. I Like last year I wanted to travel a lot, but I don't know what happened. But I want to go to Curacao. That's where I want to head to. I want to travel to Curacao. I've been looking into Curacao for some time now. Yeah, I just love go Canada. Canada is like a home away from home. Like we just know Canada like that. Yeah, but I want to do other Caribbeans and other stuff. So I hope I get to do that this year too as well. If you don't know me, love fly out. I don't think I fly out enough. I initially had planned to fly out more often. When I left college, my plan was to fly out like I want to go out for a weekend, but just take a plane gone. Which I do that. I do fly out for the weekend, but because tickets has been so expensive these days too, ticket has gotten so expensive in compared to back when I was just leaving college. Compared to now, ticket is really expensive now. But then I used to travel with Swoop to travel to Canada. Swoop is no more. WestJet purchased Swoop, so Swoop is no more. So it is now the new one that I have seen is Flair, FLAIR is Flair, and I'm going to look into it because my dad took the airline Flair yesterday, so I need to ask him what his experience. Which before he left Jamaica, he may call him and I say, "You on the flight?" He was like, "Yes." I say, "Oh, your son." So he said, "I laugh, more lady, I laugh." Mr. Bauer, so about the lady I laugh, but they say fly up on the plane. We fly up on the plane. I'm like, fly on the plane? Fly can't go anywhere else, but what the hell fly up on a plane? I guess fly want to take a flight too. So yeah. But maybe we're just gonna drop off and then we're gonna head back straight back to St. Anne. So yeah guys, I really want the rain stop to fall because we have a lot of laundry to do. School is on Monday. I can't believe. School is on Monday. But yeah.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one.
The big cappuccino before?
The what?
The big cappuccino before? I want to try that. Chestnut, pearl lime, cinnamon toast, red velvet.
You want to try? Red velvet? Tell me what.
What is in the red velvet?
Beef?
What's in the red velvet?
We're trying new things at Starbucks.
Made with red velvet syrup, but you can add like white mocha, toasted vanilla to give it a better taste.
To give it a better taste, that means it not taste good.
For me, it tastes fresh.
Take one caramel for the
And me add a syrup.
Yeah.
Alright, we just take a caramel frap.
As I was saying earlier, the caramel frap. Here, you can try like a toasted white mocha. That's similar to the caramel. Wanna try that?
Caramel in it?
Yeah, man, I get extra caramel with this one.
Okay.
Alright.
White mocha frap with extra caramel and stuff.
Oh, the white mocha frap.
Alright.
Is that the iced white mocha frap?
It's gonna be blended.
Okay. Alright.
That's it?
Yeah.
What size for that?
Tall.
Tall, yeah.
Alright. You can go to the window.
We're trying new things at Starbucks. I gave the man some Starbucks stuff from internet, and him said first I'm not hear them drinking because probably they're not opening up to Jamaica, right? Guys, I'm trying the mermaid frap. I guess this is something new, so I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. And I need God's way of it. Close or probably a trick the wrong one. Or they're on a trip over here. Yeah, what the food I had? I don't know what the food I had. Yes, let me taste and tell. What did you get? You got a what? Let me tell you guys. So trying the mermaid frap. Quite pretty similar to a strawberry cheesecake frap. Pretty much the same. Tell me if that tastes like a strawberry cheesecake frap.
Exactly.
Like pretty much the same, not you. What can I do? Like what milk it is? I got the receipt. Let me tell her what I'll be in order. Not the receipt. I then got a tall princess frappuccino, whole milk, and tall mocha frap with caramel drizzle. So I got he said mermaid, but this is a princess frappuccino. I don't know. I didn't got why am I not understand this? Or a tall mocha frap, that's what he said you got, something like that. I don't know. Yeah. I think I got a tall mocha frap and I got a tall princess. But he said it's the mermaid frap, so I don't know. Let me try the mocha frap. Yeah, want heavy chocolate, want heavy coffee taste, not you? Seven and 7. Alright guys, so it's a mechanic day. I came and sort out some adjusting brake and I changed the part that I purchased yesterday.
Alright, lock down. Lock off.
When you have a car, you get excited over simple little things. So I'm telling you, from I bought this car, this light has not been working. So like you're overlooking and such, I just blow. You don't get the chance to start it out yet. So when I got it, it never did work. It was only this one that I rolled with for a while, from 2022 till now. So I went ahead and I bought this pack in birds, but it's the wrong one. So when I came to the mechanic, I asked if anybody can change it. When he realized it's the wrong one, I want him with Honda. Them have strange things because the man say, "Oh, you think these work with everything?" No, honey, it does not work in the Honda. So he just changed it, and now I have both of them working fine. I'm so thankful. When I have car, I'm thankful for every little simple thing related to car. The mechanic tell me say this sound alright, this good, me now problem that. You're thankful for them because car, if you have car in a good condition, you have expenses rolling out. Tomorrow I'm going to get my car body worked, where I have a little scratch and little something. I'm gonna start them out tomorrow if the weather does not look like this tomorrow. Because today it kind of fine, no raining that far, but no, the sprinkles there. Don't want this tomorrow, please God, please God, while I'm on it, pinky swear God, we don't want that, because I want to start up my car. I want to keep it up in good shape. One thing with women, we must always try to have our vehicle in good shape. Everybody, to woman and man. So yeah, I'm heading home though. Got my car sorted out and that's a vibe. So tomorrow the next outside part. So yeah, guys, I don't want to kill me, but a long time in the vlog. Today I'm keeping this vlog a straight client that I come from. We're going about what you pick up a package, but that me need a facial and I never really schedule for it. But I'm gonna check out Tips and Toes, Spa and Salon and see if you take walking and how much is it.